When we really learn how to work with the body, when we really learn how to listen and embrace the body in all of its colours, in all of its emotions and sensations, we can really have a rich, profound experience of life. It's like an orchestra, you know, you like have high notes, you have low notes, and there's no better note than the other. You need each to create the symphony, the harmony, the beauty, the experience. That's what the body can offer. And it doesn't matter if you're poor, if you're rich, if you're educated, uneducated, it really doesn't matter. There's a full life to be lived in the body, regardless of life out there.
If you can just actually simply feel a single emotion, to actually truly be in a single emotion, is a spiritual awakening in itself.
You could literally just come to this planet and work with the body and have a better experience than probably 90% of people that come and go from living in that way. It's rich. It's rich. It's Moorish. It's Moorishly rich. Yeah.
Now, a lot of people will have gone through their whole life and they never will have fully actually felt, actually